Salam, namaste to all the moms. Today we are going to discuss about the diet and the food and liquids, minerals, nutrients. The one of the best thing is that you have to keep your kitchen always clean, hygienic, cockroach free and all the dust and the bacteria. So this is the one of the first priority before we are going to start about the diet. So clean your kitchen, make it hygiene. Then the next is in yoga, Tritya Upanishad. It is talking about Yajurveda school, which is five sheet of the human being. The first and primary most important sheet is food, Annamaya Kosha, and the second is life, Pranamaya Kosha, and the third one is Manomaya Kosha, means the mind, and the fourth one is Vignamaya Kosha. It's about justice, reasoning and thinking logically, and the fifth one is blissful stage, Anandamaya Kosha. But first primary food, Annamaya Kosha, is the primary layer, outer layer, and the rest of the layer is the deep inside. If your food is good and correct, your rest of the layers would be automatically correct. Now we start and divide food in two categories, vegetarian and the non-veg. The non-veg is something you have to avoid: raw non-veg, red meats and other. Eggs also. So cook very well. If you wish to eat once in a week, then it is fine. But cook very well. No raw red meat and non-veg. You have to cook well to get the good digestion and stress-free to the fetus and the baby. Now we are going to discuss about the vegetarian. Vegetarian includes fruits and vegetables. All the vegetables also require cooking. But most of the time, if you are taking salad or something, sprouts, you have to steam in one whistle, which is very important. Before cooking the vegetables and taking it into the pressure cooker or something else in kitchen, first primary thing is that you should remove the chemical particles laying the upper layer of the vegetables, even though in the fruits also. So make it clean and simple way. The vegetable today you want to make, keep it in the tub with water. Even though certain fruits also, 1 spoon of baking soda, or might be you can take the rock salt also in warm water and keep it in 15 to 20 minutes. So you can find that most of the chemical, pesticides, wax and other things taking by the water. And after that you can clean in tape running water. So this is the first important thing. Rather than what to eat or not, it is important to know how to clean the food you are going to eat. So vegetables and fruits having the vitamin A, B and C, vitamin B1, 2, vitamin B6 and B9. So the thing is important over here we are going to discuss is about that folic acid is very important from the vegetable and the fruits. If you are going to start before first trimester, or you are going to make yourself as pregnant or want to become a mother, you have to take lots of folic acid, which is also available in the rice. Rice also carries the folic acid. Now the time and all the vitamins and nutrients is very important. Remember one thing, each and every day we are dying and living. We are dying and living. Our cell regular basis dying and the new cell comes. Bones having two kind of cells, osteoblast and osteoclast. So all the organs, even the nervous system requires all kind of nutrients. So regenerate. So degeneration is a disease, regeneration is a health, and health is wealth. So now, simple diet funda is that don't eat even though the raw fruits, even If you believe about the papaya, people will say that eating papaya can lead to miscarriage. It is not like that. Bring the raw papaya and keep it in your house. After certain days, it becomes too eatable. So don't eat raw papaya, raw vegetables. Try it, clean it and cook it and enjoy. And tamarind also you have to avoid, and certain caffeines you have to avoid. Coffee can lead to miscarriages. So raw meat, red meat, again I'm repeating, to lead to miscarriages. So try to cook well and eat it. It's a very simple, and always try to take antioxidant from Mama's green tea, which helps you to remove the free radicals and creating antioxidant in the body and keep the mind calm. So it's a very simple. If you are continuing with this, it gives very good glow to your face and your baby. If you feel sometime dehydration, you can go for coconut water, electrolyte and plenty of waters, each hour 1 glass. Don't avoid till 5 and 6 p.m. After that you can stop the water taking. The next, not the least, is very important. Apart from this, unpasteurized, processed and packaged foods you have to avoid. Even though it is carrying in a kind of plastic bags, don't need to eat it. Plastic carries very dangerous chemicals to lead to cancer or miscarriages, even though certain changes in the body of the fetus and of the baby. So I request my humble, when during the first, second and third trimester, even though after delivery, avoid all these processed foods and plastic bags. Eat fresh foods, make it in your kitchen, you can do it. So in this note, I just want to say that Annamaya Kosha in the 5 sheet, which is written in Taittiriya Upanishad, 6th century BC. On that time it has written about the food is the first primary layer. If it is good, the rest of the layer is good. So keep healthy, be smile and enjoy. Thank you.